In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to resize a PDF page for printing, sharing, or standardizing a document, Adobe Acrobat gives you a simple way to do it. In this walkthrough, we'll use the built-in page tools to choose a different page size and apply it to your document. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and making sure the PDF you want to resize is already open on your screen. It's important to begin with the correct file, especially if you're working with multiple PDFs. Once the document is visible, you're ready to access the editing tools needed for page sizing. Next, go to All Tools. This is where Acrobat groups together its main document options, including page management features. If you don't immediately see the option you need in the main view, All Tools is the best place to look because it opens up the full set of available actions. From there, click Organize Pages. This section is used for making structural changes to your PDF, such as reordering, deleting, or adjusting pages. Since page size is considered part of the page layout setup, this is the area where you'll find the right controls. Once you're in Organize Pages, click Set Page Boxes. This option allows you to adjust the dimensions and boundaries of the pages in the PDF. It's the feature Acrobat uses when you want to change how large the page is within the document. After you click that, a pop-up window called Set Page Boxes will appear. This is where you'll make the actual size change. Take a moment to look through the options in this window so you understand what's being changed before applying anything. Now click the Page Sizes drop-down menu and choose the size you want. You may see options like legal, letter, tabloid, ANSIC, INSID, ANSIE, and others. Choose the one that best matches your needs. For example, letter is commonly used for standard documents, while legal is useful for longer page formats. If you're preparing a document for professional printing, double-check that you select the correct format before confirming. When you're done, click OK to apply the change. Acrobat will then update the page size based on the option you selected. After that, it's a good idea to quickly review the document to make sure everything looks correct on the page, especially margins, alignment, and overall layout. And that's how to change page size in Adobe Acrobat.